your hands together like this. Come on, everybody.
Love God, but at first we place nobody above God. As the Seventh Day Adventist, we got one job: to prepare for the second coming of God. Amen. That for me, even from the start, my love is a masterpiece, call it a work of art. This love can shine through my life, mine the dark. I ain't gotta be Kevin, but I give my heart. Satan thought he had the battle when Christ died. 2 days later, now he's looking for a lifeline. Now his future's looking dark like it's nighttime. Come on, Jesus is coming soon, he's just praying for the right time. So as we try to get some things clear, build a stronger relationship before it gets here. Love each other like we love God, cause like I said, to know God is to love God.
Look, I put my faith in God, praying for a better day, and every day searching for a better way. What I gotta do is stand in front of heaven's gates. Should I do good, baby, slap the devil in his face? I see more sinners in this place today. Now I ain't perfect, but my purpose is to make a break. Educate a younger person who ain't living right. You say YOLO, if you die today, I'm giving tithes. Hopefully I hope to be a message to the people. See through my pride, teach you the soul is like a visible. Equal. See you and I share a common mission. When we fall down, it's hard to stand, and that's the problem with us. Give me more peace so I can understand. A broken man with nothing but a broken plan. Money's nothing to eternal. This shit in services, while I'm your blessing, straight to music and grace. Let's go.
Before I give my thanks, I want to say forgive me, Lord. The way I live ain't close to what you wish for. Okay. You used to love me, and I know you always got my back. Rapping this praise, I want to hypocrite. Let's go. See, after this, I might do things that's against you. Spit it.